It's at Newark Castle Station and level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Fabe and Shane.
Yep. This is Newark Castle Station, level crossing in Nottinghamshire. Wouldn't do a summer voyage without doing Newark.
I'm down there again for the next terminating.
At 08, I believe it is.
16 looks on that board.
13:18.
Behind you'll find your 1301,
yep.
Chinham 64, Leicester, Lincoln Leicester.
You can probably,
9.
you can probably hear behind me this 158,799. Your 1301 to Leicester from Lincoln Central. Of course, now that the matlocks have been introduced.
799.
Of course, now that the matlocks have been introduced, this goes Newark Castle Nottingham. But here's 158,799. $158,799 to Leicester.
158,799 Leicester by Nottingham. He's just digging into Stathorpe.
Anyways, and
up they go.
Let's zoom in on that barrier action. Oh dear, it's too late. Anyways, thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.